So we can say kei te pai ahau, at the moment, good am I. Now the word pai, good, is an adjective. And an adjective describes how someone or something is. And there are lots and lots and lots of adjectives. Happy, sad, big, tall, fat, skinny, red, green, round, oblong. And so there are also lots of adjectives in Te Reo Māori. We've already met one before, you know it, kia ora. Now ora is an adjective and it means well. So instead of saying kei te pai ahau, we could say kei te ora ahau, I am well. How are you going? How are you? Oh yeah, kei te ora ahau, I am well. I think pretty much every group that I've been in where people have gone around the circle and said in Te Reo Māori how they are, there's always been someone who has said kei te ngenge ahau, I am tired. Mainly because like ngenge is such a great word. You know, ngenge, how are you? Ngenge. It's a great word, and it's worth saying even if you're not tired, just to say ngenge. Kei te ngenge ahau, I'm tired. Maybe you're tired because you've been really busy. The word for busy or hard-working and industrious is poku mahi. So, kei te poku mahi ahau. At the moment, I am being very industrious. I have been really busy. I hope you're happy. Oh, I hope you're happy. I hope. The word for happy is harikoa. So you could say kei te harikoa ahau. At the moment, I am happy, which is great. Hope you are. What else is there? Oh, I know. You might be really hot, in which case you could say kei te wera ahau, I'm hot. Or you could be cold in the middle of winter. Kei te makariri ahau, I'm cold. Or you could say, I am strong, I'm invincible, I'm a woman. Now you know the word for strong because we've met it before. Kaha is in kia kaha, be strong, kia kaha. So kei te kaha ahau means I am strong. And there are lots more adjectives to learn, but we'll do that another time. Gives you something to look forward to. What will the next one be? Oh, can't wait to find out.